In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Pennsylvania. Visit the Pennsylvania Department of State website. Go to the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop portal to access the forms for updating your LLC address. Select the correct form. Choose the Certificate of Amendment form if you're changing the principal office address or your registered agent office. Provide LLC information. Enter your LLC's name, current address and new address you wish to register. Review your details. Double check all the information to ensure it's correct and completed. Submit the form and pay the fee. File the form online or by mail with the Pennsylvania Department of State along with the required filing fee. Update other business records. Notify the IRS, bank, vendors or licensing agents of your new LLC address to ensure it's official and corresponds with other people. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.